Hey everybody, behind the scenes, I've been getting back into turning, working on some new content for the channel. So I've been talking to a lot of my turner friends, and they all told me to take good care of my turning chisels. I need to get one of the Woodturner's Wonders CBN wheels. So I picked one up, and I really like it. And it happens right now that I'm due to sharpen my bench chisels. I figured I'd try it out and see how it goes, and see if you guys like a video on it. All right, so I have this all set up to grind my standard bench chisel, and when I'm doing a bench chisel, it's a little bit different than doing a turning tool. I really need to make sure that this is perfectly 90 degrees, that the cutting edge is 90 degrees to the side of the chisel. So I just kind of check myself. I'll take my combination square and make sure that that is riding along the front edge of that CBN wheel, and it is. It looks perfect. One of the nice things is about this type of wheel is that it's not going to get worn down like a regular stone wheel. I'm not going to have to dress it periodically, which means I can leave it set up, and every time I come back to it, it's the same. That way I waste a lot less steel, because you know, these chisels are not cheap. So it's nice to take good care of them. Another thing I do after I set that up so it's perfectly parallel is I will take a Sharpie and I will mark up the front edge. That way, just as I go, I can see that I'm hitting the center of the bevel, and if I'm not, then I can adjust it, or you know, that I am hitting along the whole front edge and this hasn't shifted, or if it's the first time I'm setting it up, I want to make sure it's dead on. One other little thing I do to check myself is I will take my square and I'll just put a pencil line right in the front. That way I have a reference for 90 degrees. Now, as I'm grinding this, I'm going to put the back of my finger right against the back of the rest. Remember, that rest is perfectly parallel. So when I hold that, if I align it up, I will keep it nice and parallel. But that pencil line lets me check myself, because I could start to drift one way or the other. But between the Sharpie and the pencil line here, I have a reference for whether or not I'm 90 degrees. So let's turn this on and see how the wheel does. All right, let's see. All right, that's nice. All right, now that feels nice. That's a nice, it's cutting pretty aggressively. I have to lean in a little more on this side. And that took that away real. Wow. Now this is giving me a nice almost mirror sort of finish there, but it's cutting very aggressively. And one thing I like about this is with the regular stone, you can't take a lot off at a time, and often I'll have a little cup of water, which half the time I end up spilling. And I have that because the one thing I can't have happen is I can't have the chisel heat up, because what will happen is it'll blue along the front edge. And when it blues, I've essentially lost the temper of the steel. And when I go to sharpen it, I'll get pitting along that front edge, especially as I use it more and more. So what happens when you blue a chisel, you have to then grind past it, which means you're wasting steel. But one of the great things about this CBN wheel is that it just conducts the heat away. I mean, I took an aggressive amount off with just a couple of passes. This didn't even get close to even warm. So really, there's no chance of losing the temper on your chisel, which is great, because when you lose the temper, again, you have to grind past, and it's just you're just wasting steel. But I'm really enjoying the way this is cutting. Wow. Let's see how I did here. Yep, and that's cutting. That's nice and 90 degrees. So it's nice to have my pencil line here to check myself, and again my Sharpie on the front to make sure I'm in the center. You saw early on, I noticed I had it cocked a little bit. I straightened it up and got it right at 90 degrees. So let's turn the wheel off for a second. And let's compare it. This chisel I sharpened earlier on the stones that were originally on this grinder. Let's just hold them together. Now obviously this has a super clean line around the front because I dressed it on the stone afterwards, but looking in the center where the grinder marks in, I don't know how much you can see this on the camera, but this has much more of a mirror shine, whereas this almost has a little bit of a haze to it. And now on the back there'll be a wire edge, and there's just the slightest whisker of a wire edge, which means it's going to be so easy to take off on the stone. Yeah, I'm impressed. All right, all my turner friends were right. This Woodturner's Wonder CBN wheel is amazing. I mean, this is changing how I sharpen. I'm just really blown away by it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you guys to click through if you want to pick yourself up one. And you know, I'm so impressed with this. In fact, I'm going to try something in the next video that I have never tried before, because everyone I ever worked with told me to never do it. But I think this wheel can do it. So we'll find out. You know, click through and wow.